Imagine a world where trucks aren't just vehicles. They're symbols of cutting-edge technology, unmatched power, and futuristic design. The Tesla Cybertruck isn't just redefining trucks. It's rewriting the rules of what a vehicle can be. Tesla unveiled the Cybertruck in November 2019, and it immediately turned heads. From its bold polygonal design to its almost indestructible exoskeleton, this isn't your ordinary truck. And let's talk about that body. It's made from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, the same material used in SpaceX rockets. It's resistant to dents, scratches, and even small arms fire. Tesla claims it's built for durability and strength, perfect for adventurers and urban explorers alike. But it's not just tough, it's powerful. The tri-motor version of the Cybertruck boasts a mind-blowing 0 to 60 MP in under 2.9 seconds, rivaling some supercars. And with a towing capacity of over 1,400 pounds, it doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk. This is a truck that can haul heavy loads and leave traditional pickups in the dust. Let's not forget its electric DNA. The Cybertruck has an estimated range of over 500 miles on a single charge for the top-tier model. That's more than enough for a road trip across the country or to take you off-grid for days. And while traditional trucks guzzle gas, the Cybertruck runs on pure electricity, saving you money and helping reduce emissions. Now, inside, the Cybertruck is just as futuristic. The cabin seats 6 comfortably, with Tesla's signature minimalist design and a massive 17-inch touchscreen at the center of it all. It's equipped with advanced autopilot features, promising a future where driving is optional, not mandatory. Charging your Cybertruck is as seamless as it gets. Tesla's ever-expanding supercharger network ensures you're never far from a quick recharge. And if you're at home, overnight charging can top up your battery while you sleep. The Cybertruck isn't just about utility, it's about adventure. With its adjustable air suspension, it can adapt to any terrain. Need to cross a river or tackle a rocky mountain trail? The Cybertruck can handle it all. It's a vehicle built for explorers, thrill seekers, and those who refuse to settle for ordinary. But what about everyday life? The Cybertruck is more than capable of being your daily driver. Its versatile bed, also known as the Vault, offers 100 cubic feet of lockable storage space, perfect for everything from construction tools to camping gear. One of the most innovative features, a solar panel roof that can add up to 15 miles of range per day. Imagine harnessing the power of the sun while your truck is parked at work or your campsite. It's a glimpse into a greener, self-sustaining future. The excitement surrounding the Cybertruck is undeniable. With over 1 million pre-orders, it's clear that this is more than just a vehicle, it's a movement. Tesla is challenging the automotive industry to think bigger, go greener, and push the boundaries of what's possible. The Tesla Cybertruck isn't just a truck, it's a bold statement about the future. It's for those who dream of innovation, crave adventure, and want a vehicle that stands out in every way. The future is here, and it looks like this.